wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, in this video, today I will make an English conversation video. Enjoy watching!
Good morning, Mr.
Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
Let's introduce myself. My name is Naila.
Nice to meet you, Naila.
Nice to meet you too, Mr.
What should I call you?
You can call me Naila, Mr.
How do your friends usually call you?
They usually call me Naila.
Well, where do you live now?
I live in Indonesia, Mr.
Can you tell me your address?
Yes, Mr. I live in Cimur Indah, Karawang.
Wow, how old are you now?
I'm 17 years old, Mr.
By the way, what grade are you in, Naila?
I am in 11th grade, Mr.
Which class are you in?
I am in class 11, Mr.
Okay. What is your hobby? Actually,
My hobby is writing.
why do you like writing?
Because I enjoy to use emotion, express myself, and speak when words are hard to find.
And then what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, Mr.
Why do you like blue?
Because it's fine and beautiful, it makes me feel relaxed.
Oh, nice. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English, Mr.
English. Why do you like English?
Because it is interesting and useful. I want to speak English fluently.
And then I want to know what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fried chicken, Mr.
Fried chicken. Why do you like it?
Because it is delicious and easy to make.
And then what is your favorite drink?
Yes, my favorite drink is orange juice
What do you like orange juice?
because it is fresh and healthy.
Are you the first child in your family?
No, I am the second child, Mr.
You have an older brother or maybe an older sister, younger sister?
Yes, I have one older brother and one younger sister, Mr.
That's nice. Do you get along well with them?
Yes, we do. We always help each other.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's very good. He's very good students and good personally.
Yes, thank you very much, Mr.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I watch Korean drama and something to help my parents at home.
Good job. What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be a chef and successful businesswoman.
That's it. Naila, keep studying and practicing. Actually.
Thank you, Miss. I will do my best.
By the way, Naila, might I ask you something?
Yes, of course. What's your favorite food, Mister?
Well, my favorite food is noodle.
No. Why do you like it, Mister?
Because noodle can make me full stomach and can be easy to make it actually.
What's your favorite drink, Mister?
I like hot water, and then everything that serves orange juice and fruit.
Okay. Thank you, Mister.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
See you next time.
See you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Okay, Mister.
Goodbye.
That's all my video. There are any mistake, please forgive me. See you!